Hello, children. How are you today? Would you like to listen to a story? The story of the fox and the tortoise. Once upon a time, in a big, beautiful jungle, many animals lived together. Some were scary ones, and some tiny and cute little ones. Among them was a clever little animal that looked a bit like a dog. Yes, a cunning fox. One day the fox was very hungry. It said to itself, "Today I'm going to get me a yummy meal. Today I'm going to get me a yummy meal." So the fox went searching far and wide through the jungle for something tasty to eat. But no matter how hard it looked, it couldn't find anything at all. Tired and hungry, the fox settled down under a tree and almost fall asleep. Suddenly, the fox looked down and saw an animal stepping out slowly from the river. Which animal moved so slowly? Not a snail. This one had a hard shell on its back. Yes, it was a tortoise. The tortoise thought, "The water is so cool, but I need the sun a little. I want to get warm." So it stepped out the dry lands to soak up the warm sunshine. But who saw it? Of course, the cunning fox. How wonderful, thought the fox. A yummy, juicy tortoise for me to eat. The fox quickly grabbed the tortoise and put its mouth around the shell, ready to chew it up. But the clever tortoise said, Mr. Fox, wait a minute." The fox asked, "What now?" The tortoise said, "Can't you see my shell is so hard?" The fox said, "Yes, I can see that. So what?" The tortoise replied, "You won't be able to eat me like this. But if you send me back in the water, my shell will soak up the water and become soft. Then you can eat me nicely." The fox thought for a moment. Maybe you are right," it said. "All right, but once you become soft, you must come back to me. Got it?" "Oh, yes, I surely will," said the tortoise. So foolish fox, so the foolish fox put the tortoise back in the water, and the tortoise swam quickly to the safety, and the silly fox was left hungry once again. So, the moral of the story: clever thinking can save you from any trouble. I hope you liked my story. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.